What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Stick here. Hey, we are in Ashland City, Tennessee. We're on the Cumberland River today. We're gonna go to a very secret location of mine, which may have huge bass in it, or it may not have any bass in it. But fall's the time of the year when these big fish start moving up, chasing these shad in these creeks. So we're gonna see if they're in this creek we're fixing to hit. Oh yeah. I got Dale with me. He just got off work. So yeah. Pig of the day. Yeah. Welcome to Marrowbone Creek. Marrowbone Creek, I call it Bass Alley. Used to you could go around this way and go in. That's how I went in before, but I tried to go in there with my friend of mine earlier this year in this, and so much sediment it done formed an island right there, so you have to go around this way.
How far back do you have to go where you're going?
Once we cut through, it's right there. Takes a little, we'll have to probably use the trolling motor to get back there. And go behind this little island here and then go in. Clear, look how water's clear as could be. Look at that. Yeah, this is, I used to come through here, but that's usually land. It's 4.5 foot here. We'll start coming in on grass here in a minute. After we get through here. 4.5 foot. Well, Dale's got the first fish. Dale, welcome to Bass Alley, brother. Welcome to Bass Alley. Just a nickname I call this little place. There you go.
Little largemouth.
Look how fat he is, though.
Yeah.
He's in here feeding.
He busted that topper 3 or 4 times and finally got it.
Tied on. We'll need it. Okay, I got little guy. Grub, probably not going to use the grub. Oh, he's going to jump off. Deal now. You have to quit doing this. I'm not even ready. I ain't got my fishing lures ready yet.
My spot, Brandon. My spot.
Ooh.
Wow.
There you go. Hey, they'll call him on the walking bait. Our first decent fish. 2-pounder. As far as we go, Dale. This is it. Get him, Dale, get him. Mm.
No, bigger Kentucky.
His brother.
Cousin, that's a small one. No,
Alright, this sucks. Bald eagle, guys, bald eagle. It's a nice one. Go guys, Kentucky bass. Caught him on the Citrus DT6. Like right out here. Big one. Oh, oh God, he got off. Oh my gosh, Dale. Wow. I had him for about a second. My goodness, that's a big one. Big one I was looking for, but we'll take you, little friend. Here we go. Still catching them on the DT6. Go. Gosh, man, that was a good one right there. He almost jumped in the boat, dude. I'm getting off in front of the deck. Good gosh. There's one. There's one right there. Come here, bigger. A little windy out here, guys. About 30 miles an hour, isn't it?
Oh.
I'll put you on. That's Tucker, guys. He follows us on YouTube.
Yeah, I love the videos, man. They're awesome. Keep them up.
There you go, Dale. Little white bass. Alright guys, hey, we're calling it a day. We're kind of sick of this wind. It's like 30 miles an hour now out here, so we're cutting it a little short, but hey, it'd be all right. We caught fish. Dale caught the biggest fish. Unfortunately, he did catch the biggest fish. Anyways, thanks y'all for watching. Give me a thumbs up.